Music has tremendous influence on the viewer, and the amazing thing is, it primarily happens at a subconscious level. Music not only impacts emotions, but also helps build the rhythm of your story. Therefore, in addition to adding fade-in, fade-out effect and adjusting music level, I want to introduce another helpful editing tool which can help you better align the rhythm of the music with your story. The tool is called markers. You can think of markers as notes, which help you remember where to make a change. When editing background music, markers can be really helpful for noting the rhythm of the music and then help you align your editing with the rhythm. For example, at the beginning of this video, I want to align the transitions of the first 4 clips with the rhythm of the music. Let's listen to the first part of the video and see where we can lay down our markers. So dun 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 is another section. That's where I wanna lay down my first one. So I will listen to it again and find the exact spot. Okay, so here is where I wanna place down my first marker. And to place down a marker, you just select the music or the clip that you wanna put down a marker. So I will select my music and then press M key to add a marker. So alternatively, you can go to mark and add marker to this clip as well. So make sure that you select this clip, otherwise your marker will place like so on another clip. Okay, let's continue. So here is another dun 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 dun. So this is, I think, the second marker I want to lay down. Press M key. Okay, so now I have my 2 markers and let's listen to it again and see where the markers were placed. Okay, I think they are located at the right position. So the next thing I want to do is align these 4 clips to the markers. So what I want to do is I want to make the opening a little bit longer. So I want to drag it to where my first marker is, like so. Okay, I want to extend the text to cover the entire opening as well. Okay, now I want to also align this part with the second marker because I know I don't have enough clips to stretch that long. So I want these 2 clips to be within the first and the second marker and start this one at the second marker. How long should this clip be? Then that depends on where my next marker is. So you can definitely continue to finish the rest of the video. In the interest of the time, we will just do the first 4 and let's listen to it and see whether our clips transitions have been aligned with the rhythm of the music.
What's Christy have?
Okay, I think this should be a little bit shorter. Okay, I like that, and then I will move the text back. So basically, this is how markers can be really useful for identifying the rhythm of your music and then try to align the transitions of your clips with the music. And it's not only helpful for editing background music, but are also useful for editing your main story. So you can do the same for your clips. If you want to add a marker, you can just press M and do that. Okay, so that's how to add markers and how to use it to edit your background music.